Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Bish and Me. Today we are going to see how to clean a fridge and keep it with good aroma. I have a small LG fridge which I used to clean 2 months once. Now let's see how the fridge looks before cleaning. In all parts of the fridge we have a small dirt. Before cleaning, let's remove the parts from the fridge. Remove the glasses carefully and slowly because the glass may be broken without our knowledge. Here we can see there are minute dirts which we can't clean with normal solution or water. Now I am removing the parts from the door side. We should remove it carefully because the parts of the refrigerator are hard to find in the market. I removed all the parts from the fridge. Now the fridge looks like this. Let us prepare the DIY solution to clean the fridge. Take a cup and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I have taken the synthetic vinegar and in that I am adding a half lemon juice. In the same solution, I am going to add a half spoon of baking soda. And in the same solution, I am adding 6 tablespoons of normal water and mix it well. Stir the solution for 1 minute and I am adding it into a spray bottle. This type of spray bottle are helpful to clean the fridge and the minute parts of the fridge also can be cleaned. Now shake it well for 30 seconds and start spraying all over the fridge. While spraying, add some more liquid in the parts where you have lots of dirt. Before doing this fridge cleaning method, you have to off the fridge for 2 hours or 3 hours before so that all the water and ice cubes will be melted. Spray this liquid in the rubber too. I am spraying all over the fridge. Spray the same solution in the outer side of the fridge too. Now let's clean this parts of the fridge using the green scrubber and normal dishwashing liquid. I allowed the fridge to rest for 15 minutes. Now I taken a dry cotton cloth and I am cleaning the parts of the fridge. We no need to give much pressure. Just wipe it with light pressure so that the fridge dirties can be absorbed by that cotton cloth. Now you can see that the lots of dirt is gone with a one wipe. Follow the same method throughout the fridge. You can use the reusable kitchen towels also, but today I am using a normal cotton towel. After cleaning this, we can see that our fridge looks like a new refrigerator. This DIY solution is very easy to clean, so that we no need to buy any other solution from the shop for this separate fridge cleaning. Now I almost completed the fridge cleaning. You can see this, within 5 minutes the fridge became like a new refrigerator. In this solution, I have added baking soda and lemon, which will help to take the bad aroma from the fridge and give a new smell and good smell for the fridge. Now I clean all the parts of the fridge, and now it's look like new fridge. He will help me in the future as well. Now using my DIY cleaner, I have got a new fridge look. I also cleaning my outer part of the fridge with the same DIY solution. I am wiping with the same cotton cloth. After cleaning this, we have to use a dry cotton cloth and wipe it twice. Now I am going to tell a small tip that how to keep the fridge with good smell. Let's take that lemon and add some baking soda in that lemon and keep it aside in the fridge, where you not use all the time. This helps to keep our fridge with good smell, and it absorbs all the bad smell from the fridge. I hope this video will be very useful for you and you will try it. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll meet you in the next video.